Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to save custom phrases in Busuu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to save custom phrases in Busuu, all you gotta do is simply go to Busuu. Once you're in your Busuu, all you gotta do now is simply be aware that Busuu automatically saves the vocabulary items, that is single words and short phrases, from its structured lessons into your vocabulary reviews list, which is available to only the premium users. You cannot add completely custom or user-defined phrases to this list manually. However, you can still manage and prioritize the phrases that are automatically saved by doing these steps which are discussed in the video. So first of all, during your lesson, you need to simply encounter a new word or phrase as a flashcard. So after this, it is automatically added to your general vocabulary list once you successfully complete the lesson. Now to save a specific item, you need to tap on the save icon and move it to the favorites. Once this is done, you need to manage your phrases on the website as well by going to vocabulary tab and hitting the save button. Busu's design focuses on automatically tracking vocabulary presented within its official course using a spaced repetition algorithm. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.